the total sum of the money, your profit that you have made, and now everything might become yours. Then, but you have to trade for us for at least 2 weeks. The reason is that we have to get some spread commission and other things to cover up some costs. So you have to trade for at least minimum 2 weeks to be able to now withdraw all your profit from the money we have given to you. But we carefully monitors the account. And another interesting condition is this: you have to maintain seminal lot size, and you have to maintain seminal lot size that you use, because we also want to filter out gamblers. So people may come and gamble with it, and think that they are experienced trader, only to discover that they are no more even near experienced trader. So you have to maintain a similar strategy and similar lot size within that 2 weeks. It's not that if you make good profit for us, we will not we'll reject it. Of course, we are not going to reject it, but these are just the rules, because there are another thing we want to achieve in doing this is to make sure we are able to get good traders on board. So, for example, you have $5,000 account from us. It's like a loan or a credit given to you. Then you will trade it for 1 week, and you're able to make $1,000 profit, which is about 20% of $5,000, which is easy, because on our own hub here, in a week we used to make about 2,000 pips. Sorry, 1,000 something pips in a week. So it can be very much easy for you to achieve that. Then we will now take off the 5,000. Then what is left for you is 1,000, which is 20% of profit you have made. Then you could now be able to, if you want to claim the money, like convert the whole money to yours, because we're not interested in sharing profit with you. It's not a pro firm. So if you want to convert the money to yours, you have to deposit the sum of the profit that you have made on it, and then now your capital become $2,000, but you have to trade again for at least 2 weeks. To trade again, and after that 2 weeks, then you can be able to withdraw your profit. The reason is that at least between that 2 weeks, you must have been able to give us some commissions from execution and everything, and we can be able to cover some costs. But technically, it's available for, okay, we have 15 slots now taken. It's available for 50 people for 50. So if we have any need of extending it, we can also extend it. Now, I've shared two products with you now. I've shared this product about account management product, how we manage account. Then I share the this product. Those want to get trading account through me, then you can as well get trading account. And the website is www.ucheparagon.com. Is that all right? Is that all right? Oh, okay, perfect. So the second type of account I want to share with you now is automated and hybrid account with the brokers we are working with, which we interest you to know. We have one of the best platform that will never allow you lose your capital, and the platform is consistently increasing. It's consistently improving in their administrative structure. We are the only platform, we are the only company that you can stay with, and you will not lose your trading capital, like your entire capital. Yeah, in life you just have to find a way to solve some problem, especially when the problem is complex. So I want to share it with you. I'm sure you're gonna like it. I think internet is still fluctuating today. I don't know the problem. Can I check something? Uh-huh. Because some of these people, do you know that there was a web outage today? I'm trying to open. Yeah, it's open. Okay, it's open and go off. Open and go off. Open and go off. Sharing to the. Okay, let me stop sharing this one as well, and then share another one. But why going? If you have a question, can ask me. Because I'm trying to open another page for you. Okay, so that one has not opened, but let me go further. Somebody may be asking, how does you work? So I'm not sure supposed to have shared this one with you, but I have to. because I already have my business ethics of not promoting brokers, especially the one that didn't pay me. I don't promote them. But this is the broker we use for our personal trading. So this is the broker. I hope you can see that clearly. Well, ordinarily, I don't like to push them because even today I spoke with one of their manager concerning marketing. To release the marketing fund, they refuse to release it. I have to be blunt with you. So there are some things we suffer with brokers that you guys don't even know. Do you understand? I hope you can see my screen now. Yeah. So this is the broker we use in managing most of our account. Most of them, they are here. So you can open account. I'm trying to open the second one because of the way it's hosted. I think it's hosted in the United States. Amazon Web had a problem today, so it's affecting a lot of companies. A lot of big companies being affected. So um, this is the company is highly regulated company, one of the best company, fully regulated, and some of the executions we have here are done directly, like on commodity. Let me go on commodity now. Some executions we have here are executed directly from the New York Stock Exchange. So it's not an issue of somebody flipping account for you. No, you're trading directly. I'm trying to click on info so that you see what I'm trying to share with you. I'm commodity now. Some other flow passes through those big exchange. I don't know why my system is not loading as I expected. Let me click on Brent. Yeah. Mhm. So you see where some executions are done. It's Avatar. Almost all of you should know this broker. It's one of the highly regulated broker. If you go on trading info, you see other services. No, trading info. The information here will show you where some of the orders are coming from. This is Amazon stock. Let me check other one. Let's say US start. Let me check whether it's gonna open for me. Okay, let me check commodity for example. Let me check if it's open from here so that you need to know. We see where the order flow is coming from so that you can be able to. Okay, it's not necessary, but I just wanted to show you how big and how the broker is. So this is the broker we use. Your account have to be here. You finish everything. So you have to finish everything. All you do is to connect because they have a lot of they have automated trading platform that can allow multiple execution at the same time to be done. Do you understand? Yeah. So as I speak to you, we have done over 60 million volume through this company. Yeah. As I speak to you, we have done over $60 million volume through the company. So let me know if there's any question. I'll be able to answer you why I tried to load the other page. People never, yeah, just ask a question, please. Any question? Oh, I see. I see. Bad gateway. I see. I think these guys may also be affected. I see. I see. They're also affected. I see. I don't know why almost all the companies are using Amazon. It's what I wanted to share with you. Who is familiar with me? I think Kelechi, you're familiar with me. Uh, Kelechi, I think you can see what I'm sharing now. Yeah, so you see where order flow is coming from. Yeah, look at where order flow is coming from. Order flow is coming from the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. So a broker does not a broker can never put it if they're not regulated. Yeah, if it's not, they can never put such information on their website. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So this is where your order flow is coming from, where orders are being executed. Yeah. So you can start with us with 1,000. You can start with us with lesser amount. Let me know if I can get other pages shared, but it's not really coming up. So let me know. Let me take questions. If you have a question, just feel free to ask me now. Yeah, yeah. You have to convert the money. You have to convert the money to yours. One, they don't want you to pay money like the way pro firm are asking you to pay before they give you money. When you pay finish and there's no guarantee you're gonna make success. People have been buying pro firm account that have been losing money why they have not passed. This one, you have to be sure you have passed. Your strategy is working. You're making money before you can commit your own money. So that is one of the safety side of it. That's what, yeah. So you don't need to start buying, like paying money to get account, and at the end of the day, you're not getting the money. Yeah, and if you also get the money and make the profit must also take part of it. But this one is not like that. So this is direct trading to know whether you can be able to trade. If you are good in trading, then you can decide. And if you're not good at trading, then you can easily know that these guys are not good. Then the people that are good will enter in the system and be trading together with the system. Is that all right? Mm. So I've shown you how you can apply. You can easily apply for it. I've shown you how you can apply. Let me share it again with you. You can apply for it, and you can also apply directly for those of you that are big guys that are connecting with me here. You want to manage your account, then you can also apply. I have a few minutes to go. Please let me know if I have a more question to answer with you. Like the link is here. It's look at ucheparagon.com. I'm sharing to you too on the chat. Let me put this on the chat. So we have some group of people connected to us on the YouTube here. I'm sure you can hear me as well. So if you can hear me, you just comment, because after now, I'll be able to give you a live update about the market structure and what the market is all about. I will be able to give you those so that those of you like. Okay, we also have some people that have connected with us from via the Zoom. Uh, yeah, so some of you are back on the Zoom, right? So let me know if you have a question. Augustine, do you have a question? Or TMA, do you have a question? You're asking me about about the link, so let me share it with you so I can be able to see it. Those on Instagram, in case you have a question, you can drop it on this thing, because as you can see, I'm not available to pick any of your question on Instagram. You can drop a chat. I will be able to see those chat and interact with you, or you can check our view and jump to our YouTube. You can be able to see us. If you're on my Instagram, yeah. So any questions so far? Okay. So I think I have to let the Zoom guys go. Zoom people, I have to let you guys go now. I think I've given you the information that you want. So please join our Instagram, our Telegram. More information is shared on our Telegram. You can be able to access those information as well. So I'm connecting directly to the people on live stream to give them more information. For the next, how many minutes remaining for me? Let me check how many minutes. Yeah, in the next 15 to 20 minutes, I'll connect with you guys and give you more details. So if you want to join me, you can be able to join me on that channel. Is that all right? Because I waited for your question, it didn't come. So I wish you all the best and do have a lovely night. So I'm back here, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm back. I'm sure you can be able to hear me and see what I'm doing, guys. Yeah. So if you can hear me, you can just like type I can hear you because I think I can hear myself very clear. Just type I can hear you. Okay, so as I was saying, this is an information we have for people who want to connect into our car management program and who want to be part of it. So I'm sure you guys can hear me now and can as well see me. So if you are interested in any of them, you just have to hit me up as soon as possible. The link is under here, then you can be able to join us. You know what I mean? So the link is here, then you can be able to join us. Um, so So as I was saying, so we have a lot of we are offering something special for you guys who want to access capital without a pro firm model. So we have a system that can allow you. So these are the benefits of getting the capital. So that is you can get a free mentorship from us. Of course, I used to come here now every day for to give you a mentorship program. Then you can as well. There's no drawdown limit, so everything you make is yours. Then there's no challenge to pass, so you can trade your own strategy and relax and do what you want to do. You can also use your own strategy. You can keep profit. You can keep your profit. So you can also scale based on consistency, result, and growth in your own capital and grow your own capital. Then you can be able to apply based on what you can afford. You apply what you can afford because it's not that we're giving you that we are dashing you money to go home with. No. So we're giving you money temporarily for 1 week to trade, and we are giving you a target of 20% to know if you can make 20% of the profit. If you make 20% of the profit, the money given to you will be taken out, so leaving you with your profit. Then, if you want to continue and convert the money to yours, then you have now know that you're a trader. At least your strategy is working there, you cannot continue. It's different from when you come and take this money in the name of gambling. You want to gamble it and get 20%, taking that, you're gonna continue. No, it helps you to be a consistent trader and be able to maintain your strategy and be a good trader. And the good part of it is that you don't need to pay to get it. You have to prove yourself before you can now get them, before you can now commit your own money. For example, you have a $5,000 account, you have to meet at least 20% profit within 1 week minimum, which is about $1,000. Then after that, if you want to become a trader, we now take the money off from you and they leave you with your own profit of $1,000. Then you can now continue by depositing your own money, at least maybe up to the some of the money, some of the profit that you have made. The money is yours. Then you can trade with us for at least 2 weeks. Then after trading with us for 2 weeks, you can be able to withdraw your profit as much as you want. The same way people that apply for $10,000 account or something. So you have to apply based on what you can be able to afford. Like somebody apply for $10,000 account and to grow the account to $30,000 may not even be able to claim all the money because does not even have up to that. That's why you don't need to be greedy about it. You should be able to get an account based on what you can be able to afford, like what you can maintain. Account that you can convert to yours. The money that you can say, okay, this money, all of them is mine. So there's nobody that will be asking you to buy a challenge first. You keep using your money to keep buying account and they put you on 5% drop down. Any little drop down, the money is gone. Then you buy again. No, this one does not drop down. I can have up to 50% drop down. You can trade as much as you want until you make your profit. Then you keep buying 10 account, 20 account, blowing it, thinking that one day you're gonna hit it big until you get tired and leave the market. But that's not the case. This case, you may be able to access some credit from us and use it to trade and convert the money to yours later after you have proven yourself to be effective. I'm not sure you can apply multiple accounts in case you get our credit and you didn't do well. I'm not sure you can apply more. I have to confirm from our team whether that policies allow for you to apply more than once to know whether you can get it. I hope you guys can see this one very clear and hear me. Let me be sure. Yeah, I think everyone can hear me. So aside that, you can also participate in our fund management program if you're a high network client that can be able to uh, meet our criteria. What we say high network client is that if I want to trade for you, I have to know who you are. It's not where you go and throw in $50 to me and that's your last. That's money you have to use to feed your family. I'm not a magician, so you have to be like a like somebody that is stable to some extent before you can come into our account management. It's not just based on policy; it's even legally allowed. Legally, it shouldn't. There's some category of client that is only allowed to be on this type of trading. So in Nigeria, I'm sure some of us, anybody making up to 500 grand a month is able to classify as medium come earner. So in trading, we are not looking for people who can elevate from poverty that are struggling, but you can do that by yourself with your own money. Not where you're looking for a third party that will solve your solve the. I don't know if I'm trying to be too harsh, but I just want to make it clear so that uh, somebody will not just from nowhere and be too putting in account unnecessarily to us. We will not be able to accept that. That's why we used to check eligibility to know whether you're eligible to even do business with us in the first place. If you have a job, if the money is not, so that we can be able to. Although it's not necessarily on our own side, but we still have to do that because some of you will not come through the broker. You definitely want to come through us. Then when we make profit, we take 20% of the profit. Just as you make profit from our own fund we have given you, you take 20% of the profit. When we make profit from trading for you, you take 20% of the profit, and also we have about 50% stop out while trading for you. Then people will be thinking, which broker do you use? So we use highly regulated broker. One of the broker we use is this company. So you have to get an account with them. I'm not supposed to promote them, but for the sake of clarity and transparency, I'm doing that now. So you get an account from them, verify it, and put everything there because you have to be 100% in control of your trading. We help you to manage the risk, and they help you to keep you profitable as much as possible. So now this is our risk. Okay, I did not stop the sharing before I started this one. Okay, let me show you the broker we are using. So this is the broker we use. This is the broker we use. You can use this broker. Get an account. It's not. I know that some of you use all these influencers that are Philippine account for you. They have already partnered with a broker to maybe take a commission or a portion of your losses. So that's why they can do anything possible to make sure you lose money. So, and they will take it. We work with only regulated brokers, and they don't have time for such business. Do you understand? So we are one of the best guys you can work with. One of the best guys you can work with. So let me know if you have a question. Those of us that are here, people are joining us. So let me know if you have a question. If you have a question, just feel free to hit the button and ask me. I'll be happy to answer you. So concerning the market structure, the one we did in the morning, and the one we are also doing now, a lot of things are happening in the market, and we think we should let you know because now it is still valid. Those things are still very much valid. A lot of things are happening in the market, and they are very, very much valid. So someone want to join me here. Let me see who this guy is. I'll send a participant. Okay. Oh, okay. I was asked to invite people. Oh, that means my next time I have to invite someone to join me. Yeah. Those of you on my Instagram, in case you want to tell me anything, please, I'll be happy to read them later. So, knowing whether you have a question, so that's why I'm trying to give you some time to see if I can be able to answer your questions. I want to give you a little bit of update about the market structure. Going with the market structure. This is what we have done so far, and is doing perfectly well. So we are expecting some dollar strength if the United States government is the lockdown, and which gonna also impact the US JPP USD. This FS, but gold, there's no going back on gold. So gold has remained the same potential asset we are trading. Then on oil, we are also expecting a bullish trend, at least $60 per barrel, because of oil seriously came down, but it has posed a very good potential for buyers to come into the market. So you can be able to participate in it. So these are the things that we have done. In case you miss our live stream, I'm just giving you a reverb of what is happening. You know what I mean? So I'm so sorry, those of you on Instagram, you need to check our bio and join the bio so that I can be able to see this thing we are sharing here. Because those on our live stream on the Zoom and the YouTube, I've seen them clearly. You know what I mean? Check our bio, and I'm always able to join them, and you maximize the opportunity we are bringing to your way. So oil is expected to get to that point. The Brent crude, we are also trying to expect about $63 oil on the Brent crude, which is gonna give you at least not less than $10,000 profit on $10 volume. If you hit this market at this price, because it's actually gonna go up. If you hit it at this price, this $60, and they move to $63, it's gonna give you a lot of profit. In fact, we're expecting to get to 64 because it was a crash. Use $10, invest $10 here, leave it for the next 2 or 3 weeks. You have chance of getting up to 10 grand from it. Then I'm not trying to give investment advice because I'm a public domain. I'm just trying to analyze things for you. So it is your duty to decide whether you're gonna do it or not. Do you understand? So those that are students we are teaching, they already know much about what we are doing. They can easily understand. We also have a Telegram you can join. Check this page. You see our Telegram anywhere, and join the Telegram. Yeah, I wanted to share more of automated trading platform with you, but I think the cloud issue is affecting a lot of brokers. The broker I wanted to share with you could not load. You know, even this broker was affected.
Yeah, a lot of them are down.
Yeah, it was affected. I tried to load a lot of things from the from the New York stock market. It not even open. Then it said cloud something, cloud error. I load it. It finally come up. Then these guys also give us a disclaimer that they are experiencing the same thing.
Yeah, no, a lot of people are using Amazon Cloud. So Amazon, actually, let me not give any investment advice, but
Yeah. So that's all we have now, guys. This stream will be here for you. You can be able to always come back to it again and again. And tomorrow we'll see you guys and see what we can also offer you as well. Yeah, I wish you all the best and do have a lovely day, a lovely morning, a lovely evening, a lovely afternoon, anywhere you are connected
All
from.
right, guys, let's make this money.
Yeah, let's just make the money. Let's make the
Yeah.
money.